Looking for SAT prep that makes a difference? Our Cyber Monday deal gives you 50% off our full online course designed to target your team's weaknesses, reduce stress, and set them up for SAT success, all from home and at half the cost. Spotlight SAT Premium is my 10-week masterclass where your child will master all 20 of the themes from the reading and writing section, as well as all 36 themes for the math section. For the reading and writing section, I've synthesized the themes into my 26-page Triple T document, Tom's Testing Tips, where I lay out how to quickly identify the specific theme the student is being tested on, as well as how to systematically approach the question to rapidly get the correct answer. I also provide students with access to my Quizlet flashcards so they can immediately recognize how each theme's question is worded. And I provide key tips like this one that transforms questions that College Board classifies as level hard into ones that anyone can approach with confidence. So here's how this tip plays out. Notice how I say if one option is different from the other three, in other words, the only one treating the subject as singular or plural, it's likely the correct answer option. So what I tell my students to do is either put the pronoun it or they before each answer option and see which one's different. For example, we would say, it hasn't been. You wouldn't say they hasn't been. It isn't. It wasn't. But they aren't. Well, look at that. The one that's different from the other three ends up being the correct answer, D. For the very content-driven math section, I provide thorough instruction for all 36 themes, but I also provide my students with the ability to conserve time and mental energy by utilizing our 23 Spotlight SAT graphing calculator programs to quickly and easily solve certain problems. For example, watch how quickly I can find the area of the sector through my program sector, and find the distance between these 2 points with my program distance. In addition to these 2 graphing calculator programs, I provide my students with 21 other amazing ones, all of which are permitted on the test, and enable students to save time, avoid silly errors, and reserve their mental energy for the more challenging questions, ultimately giving their score the bump they need. To ensure my students successfully go from theory to mastery, I provide them with 4 homework assignments each week, each of which has the exact same timing and number of questions as the module to complete on the real digital SAT. In fact, the platform we use is essentially identical to the digital SAT platform, with all the same tools available, so that students will have already experienced it dozens of times before the day of the actual test. After your child completes their practice assignments, not only will they be able to see the answer explanations for all the ones they got wrong, but you both will be able to see detailed analytics regarding which themes they're still struggling with via their unique progress report link so they can dial in on their exact deficiencies. For all 462 math practice questions they'll complete over their 9 weeks with me, I've personally recorded step-by-step worked out solution videos showing exactly how I'd approach the question, as well as how to utilize any applicable graphing calculator programs. Students get lifetime access to our Spotlight SAT platform, even long after they've successfully completed our class, so they can go back to it anytime they're reviewing for another test date. We're so confident that your child will love this course that we offer a 30-day, 100% money-back guarantee. To see if my Spotlight SAT Premium online course is the right fit for your child, click below to gain immediate access to one of my Mind Mastery Strategy videos, one of my 36 math modules, one of my 23 graphing calculator programs, and one of my 20 reading modules for free. Let's do this.